Say goodbye to Big Boy, at least as you've known him. He will no longer be the face of the restaurant. News 8's Justin Kolar is live in Wayland with who will take over as the face of the chain.
Well, Casey, this is all obviously part of a promotional campaign, but management we spoke with said Big Boy is going bye-bye. They say the switch in franchise faces has nothing to do with the nationwide push to remove offensive names, statues, and logos, but had everything to do with the coronavirus pandemic, which has dealt a heavy blow to restaurants nationwide, especially those without a drive-through option. Now that dine-in services have resumed, Big Boy thought this move would bring you back inside.
We felt it was necessary to give folks something new to try at a Big Boy, give them a reason to come to our brand and dine in. And then we kind of want to continue to show that we're still moving forward. We recognize the times that we're in, but we want to set ourselves up for the future as well.
So Big Boy will be replaced with Dolly, and the new fried chicken sandwich will be hers, as the Big Boy double-decker cheeseburger was his. They say this move is a big clucking deal. Now, talk about burying the lead here, Casey, but if you're one of the first 20 people to show up in line here at 11 o'clock at any participating Big Boy, you'll receive a free voucher for that new chicken sandwich. You can use it today and every week for the rest of the year. We're going to have all that information for you if you're interested on our website this morning at woodtv.com. We're reporting live in Wayland. Justin Kolar, News 8.